Hi, in this video I'm going to quickly go over the skill tree system that I designed for my cancelled RPG. So the idea of this system is you build your own skill tree. You get to pick 4 subtrees and you can mix and match it any way you want. So here I have some sample trees. So let's pick some simple small ones here. And you can assign the points as you'd expect and respec. All these nodes are actually implemented to apply the stats already. So if we go to the stats page here, you can see we have a 25% all damage increase here. And if we remove this node, it goes away. So the idea is that you can also link the adjacent trees with what I call transition nodes, which are these circular yellow ones. And once you assign these nodes, you can actually connect them between the trees. As long as you have a path to every node to one of these root nodes, then it is permissible by the system. So I can actually respec this point here if I wanted to, because this node is now connected to this root here. You can actually skip nodes that you don't necessarily want. So we go here, and we grab this transition node. Grab these. That's now connected. Let's say these nodes here are less valuable, either in terms of the numbers or it's less valuable for your build. You can actually respec this. And you can still have this node here. So we can actually keep going with this tree. And we can assume the nodes back here are more powerful than the nodes in the early tree. So you're encouraged to mix and match the order of the trees to find optimal paths for your character. So a lot of these nodes don't have tooltips because I didn't assign any stats for them because these are just placeholder. You can get any stat from the game in the implementation in these nodes, and also you can get skills from these nodes. So here, this one gives ice scale. So if we look here, these are all the skills we have. We don't have ice scale. But if we assign this, then here we are, ice scale. And of course, if we respec it, then once again, we don't have ice scale. So just to show you this is all actually implemented, I can't actually respec this node. So if I click it, nothing happens. We can't do that one, can't do that one. But we can go from here and go down the line. I intended for the skill trees to be lootable things, so anytime you find a new skill tree, you can try and mix and match in this window to see if you can find more optimal node paths for your character, and it's just the added layer to min-max your character and have fun experimenting around with the game's RPG features. And if you would like to see how these skill trees are actually created in my implementation, you can check out another video I'll link below, or you can check out the rest of my portfolio.